Hello Cancer, and welcome to your reading for the possibilities that are coming your way. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. Wow, the Knight of Wands. So this is beautiful energy, leadership type of energy. Somebody here wanting to take action towards you, a very mature energy wanting to move forward in some kind of way with you. Okay, it's a very, very kind of confident energy, very bold energy. It's a very expansive energy as well. It could be a Sagittarius, does not have to be, but somebody here wants to take a risk. Either you want to take a risk towards somebody or somebody wants to take a risk towards you. This could also be related to career ventures. Maybe you want to take a risk towards a career venture or something like that. It could be family related, career related, love related, whatever it is that is pertaining to your particular situation. That is the focus of this week. Okay, now I do see that for a group of you guys, the past is here to say, hello, I miss you. How have you been? You feel like home to me. You are the only person that feels this way to me. You feel like a soulmate union, like a soulmate connection, okay? There are still a lot of unsaid words that this person has, you know, that they have not told you. And so right now there's this kind of energy where they're feeling the connection again, okay? So for some of you guys, the past might show up. It might knock on your door to say hello. Even vibrationally, it could also be you might see this person's kind of energy somewhere, or maybe somebody that looks like them, or maybe you see kind of like a picture that reminds you of them, their name somewhere, that sort of energy. Okay, you're going to kind of like sense that kind of energy, because guess what? There is a reunion on the horizon, whether it's a union or a reunion. You know, this could also be a brand new energy. For some of you guys, that is a brand new energy and it's nothing from the past. It could also be a brand new energy that feels like home to you, because guess what? You guys have actually met in a past lifetime. Okay, so it's you connecting with a brand new person, a brand new energy, or the renewal of an energy here, because you guys have some kind of karmic debt together. Okay, it's a positive type of thing, because I do sense that there is some kind of balancing act, that karmic karmic balancing act that you guys are trying to kind of like, you know, rehash here from the past to the present. There is some kind of a reason here for everything, right? And so, you know, right now this is just kind of like, you know, reminding you that each life, you guys, has many connections, you know, to previous lives. And so this is one of those. You are reconnecting with a part of yourself that maybe is a reflection of this person, or vice versa. You are coming into balance with karma with another person right now. Okay, so there is this kind of energy here of a reunion or a union about to happen for you. That's what's coming your way. The blockage here is basically not wanting to collaborate with somebody not wanting to collaborate with you. There might be a little bit of a too many people involved as well. It doesn't have to be a lover. I mean, it could just be like influential friends that maybe are a bad influence to this person, that sort of thing, or family members that are influencing this person, that sort of thing. But that's the blockage, or at least one of the blockages this week. However, you do have here the energy of the magician, you guys. So tap into that bold magician energy, because you are here to manifest. There's somebody here who is lingering still in the energy, however, of the Eight of Cups. Okay, somebody here walked away disappointed. They were very disappointed. They were not expecting to hear or to see whatever it is that they experienced in the situation. And so they had to walk away. Not because they wanted to. They actually did not want to. They had a very strong connection to the situation, to this person. You know, it was very hard to detach. Maybe it still is hard to detach, but right now this person kind of like felt the need to walk away, because they were like, you know what, this is the healthiest thing for me to do for myself. Okay, so whoever this person is, they're coming across as they miss you, they do want to see you. There's going to be an apology, a gesture of love here, an offering. There's going to be some kind of an offering. This can also represent some kind of proposal, okay? So get ready for some kind of proposal this week, because somebody here sees you, or at least wants to see you in their future. They see you in their future. Now let's go ahead and see what this Knight of Wands is all about for you. Wow, look at that. The Two of Cups, you guys, what is going on here? So here with this Two of Cups, I mean, this is basically big energies, you guys. Soulmate union, soulmate connection. See the Six of Cups? growing into this Two of Cups. Okay, so a union here that maybe started in a past lifetime or in this lifetime, where you guys have this very strong connection, this very strong knowing that there's something there. There's something more going on there than what this person is showing. It's true. It's real, because the Two of Cups is just confirming that, okay? This is a very strong bond. This is a very soulmate type of connection. It could be a twin flame, but whoever this person is, they're charging forward, okay? This person wants whatever it is that they have set their eyes on. They want you. If they have set their eyes on you, or maybe if this is you setting your eyes on someone, or maybe kind of like a career venture or something like that, this person is not willing to give up, because they're kind of like they're in alignment. They're very confident. They're coming across as very confident. However, the second that this person decides, okay, I'm going to go for it, I'm just going to tell them how I feel, that's the moment that they start overthinking things. That's the moment where they stop themselves. Their fears, their doubts start to take over, and so then they detach. Okay, so there's this kind of energy of kind of like one foot in, one foot out. The moment that they want to do this, the moment that they want to take action, that's the moment that they kind of take a step back. Okay, so this might happen this week, or maybe it's already happening. It's going to take time here with the Knight of Pentacles here at the bottom of the deck. So it's going to take a little bit of time, because this person overthinks things. This might be you. Okay, this might be you overanalyzing, overthinking things to the point of exhaustion. However, this is a very, very good energy. I still see a very good outcome. Why? Because the Knight of Pentacles actually delivers. Okay, so there's this kind of energy here where, yeah, sure, maybe if you see a lot of like expression from a person, you know, this person expresses themselves a lot, versus a person that doesn't really, right? There's something here to be told about silence, right? Sometimes silence does speak volumes, because the person who might come across as a little bit silent, a little bit like slower, you know, in coming around, that's the person who actually holds more potential. Okay, whether this is you or them. So if you are getting a little bit restless, don't get restless. I do sense that there is good potential coming out of the situation. Although it's going to be a little bit slow, you're going to require a little bit of patience. Okay, but let's go ahead and get into your question. We're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is coming in. It could be, again, a brand new person or the renewal of one. Their attention, their eyes are on you. Trying to flirt, they're kind of like wanting to flirt with you, or they are flirting with the idea of having you in their lives. They want to explore you. They are considering you for something more. Okay, but somebody here is not seeing this opportunity for what it is. It's somebody here feels like it's too good to be true. Okay, what it really is, and I mean literally, look at this. This cup is the only cup coming in with angel wings. Okay, so these angel wings represents a genuine offering, a genuine proposal, a genuine connection, a genuine brand new door that is about to open up for you. But somebody here is either too distracted with what went wrong in the past. What if this happens again? What if this goes wrong? What if this, what if that? They're living in the past, or they're living in the future, you know, and they forget to live in the moment. So if this is you, let's not do that this week, okay? Because this opportunity of a lifetime is real. It is genuine. It is coming in. Maybe if it's an apology, it's a real apology. Now let's go ahead and see what exactly is your answer. So as I shuffle, you're going to be getting a yes or no answer, okay? So let's go ahead and see what you have here. But before we do that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every single week that I post. You guys, when you subscribe, it really helps me, and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. I post each and every single week for every single zodiac sign. And also, if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and take the time right now to give this video a thumbs up, to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. Okay, is this a yes or a no? Ready? Ask your question. Drum roll. Wow, that is a definite yes. Okay, so that is a yes, but it's going to come with a little bit of patience, because this is telling you yes, but before you do that or say that or accept that, make sure to get the information that you need. Make sure that you have researched this very thoroughly, but it's a yes, okay? So again, it's a yes, but it comes with a little bit of patience, because somebody here is still gaining more knowledge. They're doing more research, okay, before jumping in. So it's a definite yes for you this weekend. At the bottom of the deck, you guys, a 10 of Pentacles. What's going on here? Marriage potential, grounding energy, very stable type of energy. This situation is leading to something for the long term, okay? It's not a fly-by-night type of situation. Now let's go ahead and roll the dice. What do we have here? The sign of Capricorn and the number 4, again, stability. Coming into stability, either stabilizing a connection, stabilizing a business venture, whatever it is, a project, whatever it is that you're involving yourself in, you're coming into a lot of stability and a lot of structure, okay? And here with the sign of Capricorn, do not give up on what you know is for you, on what you believe in, just because you have not yet figured out how to get it, okay? So keep climbing that mountain like Capricorns like to do. They climb that mountain until they get to the very top. They do not let fears get over them, get a hold of them. They do not let anything or anyone stand in their way, okay? So embrace that energy of Capricorn this week. Do not give up on what it is that you know is for you. And also, this kind of energy could be maybe somebody that you're dealing with that is a Capricorn. It doesn't have to be. But let's go ahead and see what the affirmation message is for you this week. You have here, I love what my body is capable of doing. That's beautiful. So for some of you guys, maybe if this has to do with, you know, your physical body or whatever it is that this pertains to, for some of you guys, it could be maybe you're wanting to start a new health routine or something like that. I always like to remind you guys, exercise should not have to be this draining type of, you know, ordeal. It should be a celebration of what your body can do. So if that's you on the path of maybe getting your health back in order, or maybe kind of like getting more activity into your lifestyle, that sort of thing, remember, it's a celebration of what your body can do. Sometimes we forget that our body is not just a body. I mean, it's a vessel that is holding our spirit. So it's time for us to really celebrate that, okay? Especially this week. I love what my body is capable of doing, appreciating our bodies for what they are and what they are capable of doing. All right, this is what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings and weekly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out GinaMoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life.
Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at ginamoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.